Alright, everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi, and yeah, what will I be up to today? So yeah man peeps, today I'm gonna check out Uncle Mas, yeah man, because he's one of the oldest person in the village, if not one of the oldest person in Jamaica, if not the oldest. So yeah, we're gonna go over this right now. I'm gonna put on a shirt, yeah man. Me and Pops are gonna make a walk out, and yeah, we're gonna get it started. So peeps, let's jump into it. See you on the flip.
Kountry Boi and I is going to look for a neighbor who is 106 years of age, and it's close by, so we are going to walk the distance to his house. That's our gate.
This is Aunt Esther right here. Yeah, my dad's sister.
Yes.
Pops there, and this is Uncle Mas' entrance.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Welcome.
Alright.
Going through.
Mad move. Alright, you for that.
Later.
So this is the entrance and the driveway.
Yeah, and the little house that we knew.
The little house.
We knew when we were kids.
It
Yeah,
used to be a
man.
coconut storehouse, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it used to be a coconut storehouse.
Alright, so that used to be a coconut storehouse. Tell me the history, Daddy.
Yeah, it used to be a coconut storehouse. You know, we used to take coconut to the copper, so when it's full, the chop come and take it. And
Yeah.
sometimes take two property coconut at the same time.
Wow.
We reap every month.
Yeah?
You know, we make
You used to
coconut
make
oil.
a heap of money then, man.
Yeah, man.
All coconut house.
And that's Uncle Mas' grandparents, very right out there.
Yeah.
Right behind the mango tree.
Alright. 1856 not to 1920.
When I first came here to live, this was the best neighbor that we had. This end.
Yes, my parents, them I get old, and auntie I get old, you know. So them I feel old one another, like boyfriend or girlfriend. Peeps, it's a long walk. Yeah, so we're way right now up at Uncle Mas, one of the oldest man in Jamaica, if not the oldest man in Jamaica, at age 106.
Tambran. Make very good drink.
And brain.
It more like prune.
So we finally arrived at the oldest man in our community yard.
Yeah. Right, yeah. Custard apple. In the meanwhile, this is custard apple tree.
Yeah.
Tour guide
Feature on
Roger.
Facebook sometimes.
Yeah, custard apple.
Yeah.
The tree have a lot on, but to it be on the inside, it's hard to see. Yeah,
Auntie, I make a video too.
that tree there, ackee, and allspice in between.
Allspice. What kind of tree that, Daddy?
That's pimento.
Oh,
called
pimento.
allspice
Oh.
internationally.
Allspice Internet.
Allspice.
Okay.
Yeah. Allspice.
Where did I say about the house, Daddy?
This is the pantry and the kitchen, outdoor pantry and
Okay.
kitchen.
How old is it?
About 150 years.
Yeah?
Michael, this kitchen is about 150 years. No?
Oh, wow.
This kitchen is about 150.
It had original cedar shingles on it.
Okay.
So when they got in bad repair, we decided to keep them because they're 100 years old
Yeah.
or more. So this zinc is just to protect the original cedar.
Cedar, okay.
We're gonna go inside and see if you can get enough light to look at them. But they use a wood fire in here for over 100 years. So everything's cured,
Whoa.
but somewhat blackened. So we'll see if you can get a picture on the inside.
That
All
meant that
right.
you had to grate a coconut.
Still have it,
Still
but
have
it's not in here.
It's not
but
in
we
here.
have it.
Okay, yeah.
You want,
That
This
yard
yard is a
have to buy.
historic
you
yard,
wanna,
man.
you wanna get this joke? I think her nephew was a fisherman or something like that. Took a big fish up to her. And hear me now. I want to see if this fish can bite. Put my finger in there. The fish don't bite me for joke. I didn't did.
Okay, yeah.
The fish was squeeze it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
The
a
finger stabbed me.
Explain to him what this place is.
All right. A large part of the income for the farm
Yeah.
comes from pimento. And
Oh.
every year,
It's what I want called allspice.
oh yeah, they call it allspice. Every year we pick it off the trees and spread it out here to dry, because it has to be dried in order to be sold. And
Okay.
there'll be different batches at different stage of dryness.
Yeah, man, and this would be a lot, you know.
Yeah.
See that? They used to dry pimento right here. You see? You used to have a whole heap of knowledge of how to make money back then, you know. We hardly use right now.
I'm looking for a
Oh,
man
they have
to build two for me. Just
You need the original like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
the template
Yeah.
off of it.
What's that, Daddy?
these are hampers for the donkey to carry the coconuts.
Yeah, oh.
These may be over 75 years old.
Enough years that, you know.
Yeah, these
They used to be more basket shaped.
basket shape. Yeah.
Let's see if I can kind of spread this one out there and get an idea.
What it is.
It used to be like this.
This is the entrance.
Yeah. So you have one on
Okay.
one side of the
One on
donkey
the other side.
and one
And
on the
on the
other
other
side.
side of the donkey.
I used to ride a lot of donkey and I go
And
to
I
White
can
River.
preserve,
Is
To
it?
call it the meal.
but that can happen.
Yeah, yeah.
Can happen. Throw them away.
I heard there's a man in Claremont here that built
That
them.
build them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Huh?
How
And
them
you have find them.
let me know. 'Cause
I'll let
I
you
will
know.
give him this
Yeah,
and
yeah.
say, add to it,
Fix
but
it up, yeah.
don't destroy
Right.
any
Yeah,
of
yeah,
them.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we have some of the
And them have the thing
original.
them down in
Original.
the bushes down there.
The reed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, the
Let me
goat
see if I
thing.
can get this open.
Alright, 150-year-old house. Might be a little bit dark, but you know. Oh,
Floor feel unsteady, but you won't fall through.
the floor is unsteady, but we won't fall through. Don't worry, without worry. Oh, so that's wood shingle down there.
Yeah, that's wood shingles on the side.
Wow,
So we saved that, we didn't strip it off.
that's nice, man. And that definitely tells us the cedar would have one of the strongest wood
This
exist.
side of the pantry.
That's the country, yes.
Yeah. And that's the wood fire kitchen on this side.
Yes.
Country. Wow, historic.
And that's the original where the wood fire
fire
would
could-
burn.
Yeah?
And
And these are all cedar wood.
they would hang things here to dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Stick.
Oh, so like pimento leaf and
Yeah,
like
yeah. Or tobacco.
and tobacco. Okay.
And that's the firewall over there.
Yeah.
With those wood. And, yeah.
Wow.
And they'll have excess firewood stacked in this corner,
Yes.
so they can use
Use.
it in the,
Okay.
yeah. And there's a shelf over there, so you can't see it
Yeah,
now,
you can't
but
see,
for
but-
preparing the meal and so on.
Yeah. Wow, this is a nice house, man. History in the
And
midst
then
of
because
where I'm
of that
from.
now, this house is not built with a kitchen.
Oh,
Kitchen on it. There was no thought to put a kitchen of any sort on this, because that's the kitchen.
okay. Understood. Wow. That's a lot of information about what the house man.
Yeah, we I can see.
So we are going to see Uncle Mars now.
Yeah. Like, you know, he's holding up
I remember this
nonetheless.
rocking chair.
This rocking chair,
Yeah, that's the rocking chair.
I cannot tell you how old this is,
Yes.
but my father, who is 87, was rocked in this chair as a baby.
Oh my God.
So I can't date it.
This
Big old,
Wow.
Annie's favorite chair.
big old from my brother.
And she got it from someone, and it was old when she got
Then
it.
she got it.
Yes.
Wow.
And we come very pizza. It's the man that used to live small.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, live on God.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go a picture from the other.
Oldest rocking chair in the place.
These chairs are
It's been a while, I see one.
I came here and built these from Kamas.
Uh-huh.
Because when I came here 1 year, he was sitting in this.
Yeah.
But it was hard for him to get out of it. See how low
because
it
it was
is?
too low.
Yeah. So I came here last year and built. When I was building it, I said I have enough wood, I can build two one time. So my hand built it. It's crude. It is crudely built.
Cool, yeah,
But
it's cool.
I was proud to build it using cedar from this
This
property.
property.
Nice.
Cured here.
Yeah.
And everybody
For
say, I
about
can't
20
pick
years.
it. She
Whoa.
was my first.
So you know, so these, if you actually were to sell these, are expensive because of cured cedar wood.
But there isn't a truck big enough
Over there.
to bring the money come that outside.
No truck. Yeah. Straight from Ochi come straight up. Oh gosh.
You want us to see if we hold the girls?
That's nice, man.
Auntie. Historical. Yes.
Yeah, some visitors don't come out from insurance. Remember the Williams?
Roger and Esther.
Roger and Esther Williams,
Lord Williams' kids.
Claude Williams' children. Right. You can lay down, Uncle.
Yeah, put him back.
Yeah, you can lay down.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a pleasure. Oh my gosh, you run on my mind every
Yeah.
time.
Oh, yeah.
Uncle Man.
Uncle Mars,
It's
enough
all about
respect
brother,
me here, enough story about it, you know. Signing out right now from Uncle Mars home. Blessings to everybody that will meet here right now. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Original Country Boy representing. I'm out. Yeah, man, everybody. So they are leaving right now, and it was a beautiful experience. Definitely learned a lot. I never know so much historic places there in a little one community. Yeah, man, gain a lot of knowledge, and we're leaving right now. Watch them, and hold one another hand again.
People don't live that close.
Yes, and in our community, we don't live that close as Pop say.
Each
Yeah.
person lives on the minimum in 10.5 acres of land, which may be about 8 hectares, if I'm right.
Yeah, so you know, so we're not in a people business. Country Boy represented, signing out. And please remember to like, share, subscribe. And I'll definitely see y'all again. Hope you love the video. Adios, niños, niñas. Yeah.
Fence bush, you know, and be a flower.
Yeah. Oh, that's the one that you were telling me about the other day up there.